we are selling this house.
Oh wow.
Because if you love woman, I want to spend more money for you because I'll do something to you. You trust me. I tell you, say, any house you want, tell me, I'll buy for you. That's why I brought you here.
Okay.
All this house we are selling.
Oh wow.
This one be $10 million.
Oh wow.
$10 million with the car, Ford. If you like, tell me, I'll buy for you. Let me show you all the price
Oh wow.
and choose which one you like.
Okay.
Because I really love you.
Oh,
You love me?
I love you.
Oh my God. Because I like Liberian people. I like Liberian people, especially women. Liberian president is my best friend, Oporibia.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we are playing the football years ago. Yeah, he became the president.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this one be the same $9,000 with the car, one car.
Okay, so I can choose this one. Any
No,
house I
no,
want.
what? See all this before you choose one.
Okay.
I just want to show you.
Okay.
No?
Yeah. They're all beautiful.
Yeah. And this one be $15 million.
Oh wow.
Yeah, $50 million with the two cars,
2 cars.
Bentley and the G-Wagon.
So you get me 2 cars?
And if you choose this house, you have car, 2 cars, you have a house.
Oh wow.
Yes.
That's
And this one
beautiful.
above my pastor.
Oh wow.
I'm pastor. Yeah.
So your pastor lives
Yeah.
there?
Prophet Adam Chebi, a second chance.
Okay.
I buy for him.
Oh wow.
He's inside.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. If you come to Africa, Ghana, the Ghana president is my family member.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and the ministers my family members.
Okay.
I have ex-president, John Mahama.
Oh wow.
It's my own friend.
I
Yeah.
love to come to Ghana.
This one be $20,000 with the 4 cars. 1 car just and the 3 cars they collage. Yes. See all if you see all this one you like, tell me. I'll buy for you.
Okay.
But today, in the inside. after buying this house for you, after give this one. But I think this one is better. It's better for you.
Yeah, this
I
one
think
is
this
very
one
nice.
because the color.
Yeah. And I also like the
Yeah, the windows.
background.
Yeah, and the see the door.
Yes.
Yeah,
And it comes with the car as well?
yeah, yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 cars they inside.
Oh nice.
Yeah.
So 3 cars.
Yes, 3 cars.
Okay.
$20,000.
Oh wow.
$20,000.
Okay.
Okay. We have a bush house and have a view.
Yes, I love
the
nature.
forest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Very beautiful.
But I think this one or this one, just have 4 cars.
Oh wow.
Be $25 million.
Oh, wow.
Jeep and the Dodge.
Okay.
Yeah, you have 4 cars.
Oh wow, beautiful.
If you like this one, I can buy for you.
Okay.
$25,000 million. Yes.
Oh wow.
Baby. Show me love. Liberian love is love. You can't compare Ghana love to Liberian love. I only like Liberian love is a true love. It shows. Oh my God. I buy this one for you.
It's beautiful.
$25,000 million for you. Guys, I love you. Okay, and which food do you like? Which food?
Oh, I like a lot of different foods.
Are you sure?
But I want to taste some Ghanaian food.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Fufu, and the rice soup.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a Ghana soup and the rice ball.
Okay.
Okay, have a TZ, Kiss Brown, abetia, and the Ghana soup.
Yes.
Oh, a lot of Ghana food, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know her?
No, I don't.
Why do you look at us? How people your villages?
Do you know that?
No.
Oh, okay. It's Yao. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Kennedy, what are you doing here? Ahansu Bio.
Yes, babe, you know them?
I don't know them. I don't know why you.
Okay.
Please, what are you looking
Good
for?
afternoon. Is everything okay?
Hi,
Hi.
good.
Okay.
Are you a Ghanaian?
No.
No, from Liberia. From
Do you know him?
Yes, he's my boyfriend.
Very well.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Boyfriend.
My dear, this guy right here is a scammer.
hey,
A thief!
thief.
He is ready to dupe you.
Babe,
Okay?
you know them?
No, I don't know.
He is fake. This guy, he is
fake.
Adwa.
And by the way, if I may
Adwa.
ask,
Don't adjure me.
Adwa.
How do you
Who
guys
say
know
everything?
him?
Baby.
that will be a topic for another day. And what are you guys doing here, by the way?
Oh, we're buying a house.
Yes.
He is buying it for you or you are buying it? No, he's buying me a house.
Let me tell you, all these houses here, it has already been bought. He's just ready to dupe you, my dear.
If you want a house,
Apia.
my sister, you
Adwa.
go to an
Adwa mo say me.
agent. Okay.
Adwa mo permit ya. Who was nyame? Baby, please relax.
Oh, so you know them?
No, I don't
He
know.
is lying.
And then when you
He is lying.
I know that, but a long time, 30 years ago.
Okay. Na me media hen, what been me 30 years ago.
Adwa.
Just a minute me
Adwa,
wo.
don't permit who say me. I want to be in any sort. We will come.
Super
So
you
when you're talking, it's
so
just
only
like
me
you know
30 years
them.
ago. Oba just me made this 60 years.
No, what crying, mama.
Oh.
I shall need to see you.
Sir.
You better run for your life, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Let's go.
Baby.
Baby.
Baby. Adwa me to Nyankopon. Do me, I do you. I swear. I think photo and you what is that money?
I cry for you.
Oh, me come tonight. Mon chembra, mesmo chembra. O wale, mesmo wale. Me to Nyankopon. America. This yanum. Washington this year. Do me, I do, and Virginia Hanum. Virginia. Okay. Hey, Labelia people, Labelia. Will be only he says I draw no one. What's a train crying? Sir. Emma, see woman, a live man. So manager, member. What do you make it? Best send me poto, a match will say, you ever see me say poto, conquer. My God, this. Okay. Me message, sana, much now, Rina, what could a belly scabby? Eh, what man I got a bono? Scammy, CNS coming. Eh? Moana Ghana, Obutopo, Emma Bunibi, or Batampo, America. Obey me. Over Tampo, America. Okay. Adwa.